I've been waiting for this box for a while. They always put too much tape on here, you know? What the hell? Oh. Wow. This is the gun case. Wow. It's the gun case. Comes with a holster for a pistol, which it came with. Came with a Colt. It's 328 FPS. Full, is it full metal? No, and there's a spare magazine. Oh my god. Shout out to, and this comes with a speed reloader. Nice. Oh shit. I was just talking about how I needed a new pistol and a holster and a speed reloader yesterday. There's the oh! Oh no, I gotta open up this mask. We were looking, me and my mom, we were looking at this mask on Amazon, and this is, oh man. Oh, yo, that's awesome. I don't care who you are, that's awesome. I just woke up, look out the window to take the dog out, and this thing's sitting in the driveway. I'm like, yay! Whoa. Oh, it's Russian. Dad, do you know how to speak Russian? Or read Russian? I think so. Help. These are the choices that you could have picked from, but I couldn't pick because it's a freaking mystery box. It came with a bracelet from it's a paracord bracelet. Oh, it's got a hazard symbol on the clip. That's awesome. I'm actually putting this on right now. Perfect size. Perfect size. I'm just sitting here looking at the gun that's on the bottom. I don't want it. Comes with a battery. What the hell? What's the battery? Quick load system. Cool. Another speed reloader, a cheap one. Whoa! Shout out to all this bubble wrap I gotta deal with. These are BBs. I'm never gonna, they're .20s. Holy hell. Yeah, it's 4,000 of them. Now I have like 15,000 ammo round. Swiss Arms charger. Oh, this goes with the battery. Nice. So now I can have 2 batteries for the gun I got yesterday for Christmas. There's the gloves. The reason why it's late is because we sent the email for the size of the gloves and they didn't get it, so they just sent it guessing the size of my hand. Which I shout out to them because I probably would have never got it. Yeah, they fit. They actually fit pretty good. Nice. They took a wild guess. I'm glad they didn't say small. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. The I'm gonna have to give this to Justin. I think it's too small. Or strip that down for the clips, because I like that clip. It's cheap paracord anyways, it's not real paracord. Wow. Nice gloves. I'm glad they were black, because all I have is black weapons. Damn it. Come on now. My fingers cannot be getting stuck. Here's another speed reloader. It's not speed, but it's a reload system. Copper. Copper. Copper! Idiot. Oh, there's a trash bag for the trash. Nice. What is this? Is this the vest? This is the vest. Oh, wow. Oh no, where's the front? This is the front. Yeah, that's about right. After I adjust the straps. Like that. And break it. Did something just fly off? Yeah, it broke. Means it's cheaply made. Oh my god. That's great. It's a Tommy gun. It's a freaking Tommy gun. Ain't that some shit right there? Here's the backpack. Oh, that's a backpack? It's not a backpack. It's a freaking happy sack. I wish it would have came with extra clips, but it didn't. Oh well. It's nice. Now it's time for this. This is a full metal gun. Look at the mag on this thing. Wow. I'm definitely making a sling for this thing. And it's got batteries right here. That's where the battery is. I've seen videos of this on Facebook. That's where the hop up is. I have to charge the battery though. It's pretty cool. But there's your video, Dad. Thank you. Bye.